After gaining over 100% in the first 2 months of 2023, the Lucid stock price has been on a downward trajectory, plummeting from a yearly high of more than $12 in February to below $6 in October. However, the company's fortunes might be turning around in the near future. According to Lucid CEO and former Tesla chief engineer Peter Rawlinson, the recent price cuts on the company's airline of electric sedans were well received. The CEO did not provide specific sales numbers but did say that the price cuts led to an increase in sales. In addition to the boost in sales, the company recently revealed a teaser of its Gravity SUV. The new EV will start at roughly $100,000 and will go into production in 2024. More information about the electric SUV will reportedly become available in November at the official unveiling. Moreover, the company opened a new car manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia in late September, which will be able to produce 5,000 cars annually. While Lucid faces stiff competition from Tesla and Ford when it comes to gaining market share in the US, the company remains in a promising position when considering the rising EV adoption trend worldwide. As a result, the stock price of Lucid is expected to recover from its recent slump. According to the Coin Codex prediction algorithm, Lucid's stock price could see a strong upward trend in the coming months. The algorithm forecasts Lucid to shoot up to $13.50 by December, gaining 140% in the next 2 months. The price is forecasted to retrace to $8 by January 2024, but could see another bullish push above $18 in March. It is worth noting that Lucid Motors posted worrying financial results in the second quarter of 2023. The company saw $151 million in revenue and a net loss of $764 million. Coupled with roughly 1,400 vehicles sold in the period, it amounts to a roughly $500,000 loss per vehicle in the quarter. However, with the boost in sales due to price cuts and a new electric SUV that could eat into Ford's and Tesla's market shares, Lucid could come out on top in 2024. On the other hand, if the sales don't increase in the coming months and the Gravity SUV doesn't find enough buyers, then Lucid could lose out on the battle for the growing and highly competitive EV market. If you want to learn more about the rapidly evolving EV market, check our previous video on Tesla, in which we discuss how its stock price could perform in the coming months.